Hi guys, welcome to Heather's Treasures. I'm working on a collaboration with Sharon from Vivid Days, and our inspiration is flowers. So I'm just starting on my base right now, and I've got 3 colors of greenish blues. I can't tell you what they are. They came in like packets like this, and so I just put them in containers. This one has a blue-greenish type thing. This one is a kind of a minty color, and this one is also a minty green. I've got super sparkle white in all of them, and in this one here I put some Paradise Bay. I got this as a sample in one of my orders, well, my only order from them. I put that in this one. These have been sitting for 20 minutes. I'm using Woodcrafters epoxy resin because it's a thicker resin when it starts out. And I've got a couple of little sparkly things. So this is going to be the base. No idea what I'm doing. This is only my third sculpture. The first 2 were somewhat fails. Well, the first one was an extremely fail. And the second one was a control issue. I have to be in control, if you don't know that about me. I'm just using a lace doily that I got in a box of things that when my sister passed away. This was one of the lace doilies. She was a crafter too, but she was an avid knitter. So my inspiration behind this piece is a peony that I've got in my backyard. It's called a sorbet, where it's pink and yellow. No idea what I'm doing. Just what I think might look really good. Yeah. We laugh at that, don't we? With my Naomi house build, I really just don't have room to do resin right now. But Sharon had suggested that we do a collaboration. Thank you for suggesting that, Sharon. This is so fun. I feel like I've missed out on something. Okay, something I've learned already is to saturate the doily before you add the sparkles. Because now my sparklies are all covered up. So I'll have to add a little bit more. I guess what I should have done was used alcohol inks. I don't have any transparent dyes that I know of. But I haven't got the transparency, so my lace doily is kind of lost in there, isn't it? So we'll come back in about maybe 5 hours. Okay, it's been 3 hours, and I cut this round so that I could just manage it easily. And I took some aluminum foil and wrapped them up into cone shapes. Hopefully I get a good result from that. So let that settle in. Sticky. Oh my. I'm gonna do it out here on the edges. Okay, we're ready to do our petals. Now I'm using Stone Coat, just the regular. And I've got 3 shades of yellow and 3 shades of pink. Don't know what they are because they're just, you know, if I like the color, I put it in there. So, I think I'm going to start with a light color first. And I've waited 25 minutes. This looks like it's a little thin. No idea what I'm doing, just trying to think logically. I don't know if I'm making this more fiddly than it needs to be. But you know me and my control issues. I know that I'm not going to get what I want, so I'm just trying to get it in the general shape of things. And hopefully 25 minutes waiting time is enough for this Stone Coat. With me being so particular about where I'm putting it, it'll probably be another 10 minutes. And this stuff goes a good 45 minutes. You can go further in most cases, depending on your temperature of the room. Okay, my table's not level, so we're just going to go with it. And I didn't want them to join together, but we're going to go with that as well. Okay, I will come back and check this. That's what I was afraid of. Gotta get some cellophane. Tuck that under. Yeah, make sure your table is level. That's a bummer. Okay, we'll come back in about 4 hours and just check. And then once I get the timeline down, I will start recording again. just rubbing a little baby oil on these. They're still a bit tacky. Okay, I'm going to give this another hour, I think. In the meantime, I wanted to show you my plate. Well, my base. I used clear plastic from the Dollar Tree, and it does not come off. So I had to just very carefully cut all the way around. But that's all right. The first piece, learning curve. I think that the colors are going to look good together. Doesn't sit flat. Nothing I can do about that. I'm just having all kinds of fun, guys. Yay! All right, we'll see you in a bit. I just had an idea, guys, and I want to show you. What I'm doing. I have this silicone texture. It's a leaf texture mold. Let's get a piece of white paper here so we can see the background. See how smooth that is? I'm going to take this. And there's baby oil on this, so there's no risk of it sticking. And I'm just pressing all along the edge, the veins of the petals. And then I'll come in here in the middle, just in case any of this flips out while I'm folding and molding. Look at that! Is that not cool? I'll do it again. Whoop, wrong side. Ooh. And I'm not being very particular about it. I'm just smushing it. Okay, hopefully that stays. Okay, I got 3 of these put together. I'm keeping it in a ham's can. My husband drinks this beer. Anyways, I got it there. And I don't know what to do, guys. We'll do this one next. I can't peel this off. So I'm just cutting around as best I can so that the plastic doesn't show. It's been 6 hours and I'm just worried that if I wait any much longer, it's going to be too far gone and I won't be able to manipulate it. So I'm just taking the smallest ones first. Can you guys see? Oh, you guys can't see? I'm sorry. Wow! I'm excited. I think I have a success. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's a little bare. Uh-oh. I got tape underneath there. And it's stuck. I don't think I can get that off. Oh, I can. Now I can put it down the way I want it. Oh, look how pretty. Let me go get my UV resin and my light. Wow. Look at that, guys. I'm so excited. I have a successful piece of sculpture. Only my third attempt. That's pretty cool. My lace doily didn't show up very well. Oops, I'm breaking it. What do you think, guys? I love it. I'm stoked. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it yet, but I do like it. Let me know what you guys think. Ugh. And I'm sure you watched Sharon's video first, but just in case you haven't, head on over to Sharon's channel and watch hers. Give her a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. I do. I love it. I'm so stoked. I may add another leaf here and another leaf maybe here. But for the time being, I'm done. This is, look at the yellows in that and the pinks. And there's the center of the rose. Yeah. I would have liked this to come out, but the way it had cured, it was laying flat, so I may be able to use a heat gun and form it, but yeah, this is pretty. So, thanks for joining me, guys. Thank you, Sharon, for suggesting this collaboration. This really pushed me. I appreciate that. You have always inspired me and encouraged. You always encourage to step out of your comfort zone. So anyways, leave me a comment. Go see Sharon. Say hi. And until next time, love you. Bye-bye.